Fine, good afternoon to all students. Hi students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, sorry studying daily portion. Sorry revising daily portion. So now I have completed till chapter 5. So chapter 2 afterwards I will take. So today we are going to mark the question answers for the chapter 5. Okay. So welcome to our today's online class students. So all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Students, please, all of you take your computer textbooks in your hand. Take fast. Take pen or pencil to mark the question answers. As well as if you have computer notebook, take your computer notebook. Some questions you need to write. So either you should write in a paper and paste it near to the question page, or you should keep separate note for computer subject and you should write the answer in the computer notebook. Okay. So have you all taken? So all of you take your computer textbooks. Take fast. Have you all taken? So in your textbooks, take page number 74. Okay. So take page number 74 in your textbooks. So have you all taken? So 74. First you mark the one more question answers. Okay. Take fast. Listen carefully. First question. From the options given below, choose the operations managed by the operating system. So answer is option D, all the above. Answer is option D, all the above. Okay. Answer is option D, all the above. Second question. Which is the default folder for many Windows applications to save a file? My document. Option A, my document. Option A, my document. Have you all marked? Then third question. Under which of the following OS the option Shift plus Delete permanently deletes file or folder? Option A, Windows 7. Option A, Windows 7. Option A, Windows 7. Fourth question. What is the meaning of the hibernate in Windows XP or Windows 7? Option C. Shut down the computer, terminating all the running applications. Option C. Fourth question answer is option C. Then fifth question answer. The shortcut key used to rename a file in Windows. Option A, F2. Option A, F2. So I will mark the one more question answers. So once more I am dictating. So first question answer option D, all the above. Second question answer option A, my document. Third question answer option A, Windows 7. Fourth question answer option C, shut down the computer, terminating all the running applications. Then fifth question answer option A, F2. Okay. Have you all marked? Then mark the two more question answers. First you write page number, afterwards we can mark. Okay. First you write the page number. First question, what is multitasking? Write page number 57. So near to this you write the page number here. Okay. So what is known as multitasking? First question, write page number 57. First question, page number 57. Second question, what are called standard icons? Page number 60. What are called standard icons? Page number 60. Then third question, third and fourth question you need to write. Either you need to write in your notebook or write in a paper and paste it near to this page. Okay. So that one, so last we can write. Okay. Differentiate files and folders, differentiate save and save as option. Last we can write. Then fifth question, page number 68. Fifth question, page number 68. So I will written once more. I am dictating. First question, page number 57. First question, page number 57. Second question, page number 60. Third and fourth question you need to write. Fifth question, page number 68. Okay, page number 68. Then 3 more questions. 3 more question. First question, page number 58. What are the functions of Windows operating system? Page number 58. 58. First question, page number 58. Second question, page number 72. Second question, page number 72. Write a note on recycle bin, page number 72. Then third question, write a note on elements of a window, page number 62. Okay, 62. Page number 62. Third question, page number 62. Fourth question, page number 65. 65 as well as 66. Okay. Fourth question, page number 65 as well as 66. Fourth question, page number 65 as well as 66. Fifth question you need to write. Once more I am dictating the page numbers of section C. First question, page number 58. 58. Second question, page number 72. Then third question, page number 62. Fourth question, page number 65 and 66. Okay. Fifth question you need to write. Then detailed question answer. First question, page number 58 and 59. Page number 58, 59. Very important question. Okay, this one. First question very important. Page number 58 and 59. First question. Second question, page number 67, 68. Page number 67, 68. Second question, page number 67, 68. Third question, page number 72. Third question, page number 72. Okay. So once I'm dictating the page numbers of detail. First question, page number 58 and 59. Second question, page number 67 and 68. Third question, page number 72. Have you all written? So now we can mark the question answers. Okay. So first 2 more question, all of you take page number 57. So take first page number 57. What is known as multitasking? Page number 57. So in page number 57, so have you seen and see here under the heading Introduction to Windows Operating System, starting from here, every computer needs an operating system, from here to till multitasking. Okay. So page number 57, starting from here, every computer needs an operating system, from here to till multitasking. Till multitasking. Have you all marked? So this first paragraph full. Second question, what are called standard icons? What are called standard icon? Page number 60. So all of you take page number 60. Standard icons. So page number 60. So under the heading standard icons, this paragraph full. The icons which are available on desktop by default this paragraph full. Till recycle bin. Okay. This and all very important questions. Only 5 2 marks are there. So all the 2 marks are very important only. Okay. So from here, the standard the icons which are available from here to till recycle bin. Okay. So I will marked. Then third and fourth question you need to write. So fifth question, first you mark fifth question, then you can write the third and fourth question. Okay. Fifth question, take page number 68. Page number 68. So how will you rename a file? Page number 68. So listen. So if it possible means you can write, otherwise mark. So how you need to mark means page number 68 from here. There are number of ways to have seen under the heading renaming files or folder from here to till. See there are number of ways to rename files or folders. You can rename the file using menu, left mouse button or right mouse button. Okay. From here there are number of ways to rename a file. So from here you can rename the file using the file menu. So here you need to write as a points. Okay. So you can rename the file using you can rename using first point method 1 file menu, method 2 left mouse button, method 3 right mouse button. Okay. Understand? So likewise this one you need to write. Understand? From here there are number of ways to from here to there are number of ways to rename a files or folders. Then you can rename using method 1. Likewise this method 1 using file menu. Then method 2 using left mouse button. Method 3 using right mouse button. Till right mouse button. Understand what I am telling? If you write like this means you will get full marks. So only I am telling like that. So here you write. You can rename using the next line method 1 the file menu, method 2 using left mouse button, method 3 using right mouse button. Understand? So this is a fifth 2 mark question. Okay. Then third and fourth 2 mark question. So either you write in your notebook or take piece of paper and write. Okay. So all of you take. So this is the third 2 mark question. Write it. Third 2 mark question. Okay. Write fast. Third 2 mark question. Write fast. This is a very important question. Okay. Write fast. So if you are studying from gate means no problem. Somewhat the points are different in your gate. So no problem. What point they have given in your gate, that also you can study. Write fast. Okay. So you write 4 points. If they ask for this 3 mark question also, you can write. So only I am giving 4 points. Okay. Completed? Write fast. Completed? So completed? Shall I move to the next question? So if they ask for differentiation means you should make the tabular column like this, then only you can get the full mark. Okay. So don't write as a paragraph. Differentiation between means you should write this format only. Okay. Completed? Completed? Yes. Then write the second question. Okay. Differentiate, save and save us. Then not second question, fourth question answer this one. Write first. Fourth question answer. Differentiate, save and save us option. Write it. Fourth question answer. Write fast. Differentiate, save and save us. Right, for first point, to save the document using a dialog box. Here also, you can save as the document using a dialog box. Second point, it will save the document without asking for new name or location. Here, it will have the ability to change the file name or location. Third point, it will overwrite the original. Here, if you choose the same file name and location, it will overwrite the original. Write fast. Have you all written? Make it fast. Completed. Shall I mark the 3-mark question? Completed. Completed. Then we can mark the 3-mark question. So have you all written? Then we can mark the 3-mark question. So take page number 58 in your book. First 3-mark question. First 3-mark question. Take page number 58. What are the functions of Windows OS? 58. Yes, page number 58. Have you all taken page number 58? Page number 58. Under the heading, this one. Some of the functions of Windows OS are very, very important question. Okay. So from here, access from here to starting some of the functions of Windows OS from here to till this monitor, etc. Okay. Till this monitor, etc. First 3-mark question. Starting from here, some of the functions of Windows OS from here to till this monitor, etc. Okay. Marked? Have you marked? Then, second 3-mark question, take page number 72. Take page number 72. Page number 72. So, see under the heading recycle bin. Have you all seen recycle bin? So, question is write a note on recycle bin. So, from here to recycle bin is a special folder. From here to till this one without restoring it. Okay? Without restoring it. So, if it possible means you write till this one. Empty the recycle bin. Okay? If it possible means you need to write till recycle bin. Then you can get 3 marks. So, those who are feeling tough to study, you can study till this restoring it. Okay? So, actually you need to mark from recycle bin from here to till empty the recycle bin. Question answer is from here. Recycle bin is special folder. From here to till empty the recycle bin. Okay. So, those who are feeling tough to study this much of lines means you can mark till restoring it. Okay. Understand? Then, third question. Have you all marked? Third question answer page number 62. Take page number 62. Third question answer. So page number 62. Elements of a window. Listen carefully. So this question. So elements of a window. So from first you need to put the heading. Elements of a window. Okay. So elements of a window. First point. Title bar. Okay. Title bar. So each heading you should write one point. Understand? Then only you will get full 3 marks. So each question, each heading you need to write one point. First heading, elements of a window. Then put the heading title bar. Okay. Then title bar from here to here. The title bar will display the name of the application and name of the document opened. Okay. So the first point. If it possible means write next also. It will also contain minimize, maximize and close button. Title bar. Okay. So title bar full. Then next. So this diagram also you need to draw. If it possible means draw the diagram. If it possible means draw the diagram. Okay. Then menu bar. Second heading menu bar. So first point, menu bar is seen under the title bar. Menus in the menu bar can be accessed by pressing Alt key and the letter that appears underlined in the menu title. These 2 points. Okay. Feeling tough to study means only this point enough. Menu bar is seen under the title bar. 1 point. Okay. This is the second heading. Understand? Then third heading, the workspace. Third heading, workspace. Workspace is here. From the workspace is the area in the document window to enter or type the text of your document till document. Okay. Then next heading, scroll bar. Scroll bar, first point. The scroll bars are used to scroll the workspace horizontally or vertically. Okay. Then next heading, corners and borders. From here, the corners and borders of the window helps to drag and resize the windows till this first one. So each heading you should write one point. Then only you will get full mark. Understand what I am telling? Once more I am telling. This is an important question. So elements of a window starting from first heading. Elements of a window from here to next. First heading. Title bar. Title bar first point. Till the document opened. Okay. Then next heading. Menu bar. Till this underlined in the menu title. Second heading. Okay. Then third heading. Workspace. Workspace the first point. The workspace is the area till document. Okay. Then scroll bar till vertically. Then corners and borders from here to here resize the windows. Okay. So if it possible means draw the diagram. Okay. Have you all marked? Understand what I am telling? These are all very, very important questions. Okay. Then fourth question answers, take page number 65. So take page number 65. Have you all marked that question? So page number 65. Write the 2 ways to create a new folder. So here start page number 65 from here. There are 2 ways you can create a new folder. Page number 65 starting from here. There are 2 ways in which you can create a new folder. From here to the diagram no need. From here to 65 till here. Okay, till step 5. So inside the bracket they have given a figure 5.1 and that and all no need to study. Okay, here only this point step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. So inside this figure and all no need to study. Okay. So starting from here to till step 5. This is a method 1. Then method 2, next page from here in order to from here to till this step 4. Understand? There are 2 methods are there. So you should write the 2 method. First method page number 65. First method page number 65 from here starting from there are 2 ways from here to till the test folder. Then next method 2 next page 66 from method 2 from here to till the folder will change. Understand? Understand? Have you all marked? Then fifth question you should write in a notebook or paper. Write it. Fifth question, differentiate, copy and move. Fifth question, write fast. This is the fifth question answer. Make it fast, okay? Write fast. Fifth question answer. Write fast. Fifth question answer. Differentiate, copy and move. Write fast. 3 points. Write fast. Have you all written? Have you all written? Have you all written? Write fast. Completed. Write fast. Completed. Completed. Shall we mark the next question? Detailed question answers. Completed. Yes, those are completed. So then we can mark the detailed question answer. So first question, take page number 58. So all of you take page number 58 in your book. So take versions of Windows operating system. Very, very, very important question. So page number 58. Very, very important question, okay? This. Various versions of Windows operating system from here to. So like this tabular column, you need to draw, okay? Fully you need to draw. From here to till next. Till this one, okay? Till the end of the tabular column. So and also listen. So here mouse actions. The question is not given in a book bag, but last time they asked this question as for AFL exam, I think it's so. So mark this question. This is additional question, okay? Explain the mouse actions. Write it here. Explain mouse actions. Sometimes they will ask for 3 mark question. This additional question, okay? First detailed question till here. Then you write here additional question. Explain mouse actions. Mouse action from here to here. The following are the mouse action. This tabular column full. Till next this one. Release the mouse button. Okay. So if it possible means draw the diagram also. Here you write this additional question. Explain mouse actions. Possible means draw the diagram from here. This tabular column full. From action 2 till next page mouse button. Okay? Understand? Then, this is additional question. Then second detailed question, take page number 67. Salafi take page number 67. Take fast. So explain different ways of finding a file or folder. Page number 67. So different ways of finding a file or folder. Starting from here. Page number 67. From here, finding a files or folders. From here to till next page, this one. Open that file or folder. Okay. So till starting from page number 67. From here to page number 67. From here, finding files or folders. From here to diagrams and all no need to draw. Okay. From here to till next page, the fourth point, that file or folder. Understand? Understand? Have you all marked? Mark. Then, third question, take page number 72. Salafi, take page number 72. 72. Question is, write the procedure to create shortcut in Windows OS. From here, I will see it. Creating shortcuts on desktop. Here, from here to till, so up to this one. Okay. Till the other icon, till this other icon. So creating shortcuts on desktop from here to till other icon. Okay. So if it possible means draw this diagram also. If it possible means draw. Because 5 more questions, if they ask more, only 4 or 5 points are there. Okay. So I am telling, if it possible means draw this diagram also. Next page on diagram is there, no? If it possible means draw this diagram. Okay. So this chapter completed, and also we have marked the question answers also. So please, after completion of this session, study this chapter full. Again and again I am telling. So please study daily portion, otherwise you won't get time for you to study at the last moment. Okay. So in this chapter, versions of Windows operating system, already I asked you to study and write, isn't it? So today, after completion of this session, what you need to study means 1 mark question, 2 mark questions, as well as second detailed question. Okay. Then, so 2 mark question and the second detailed question, you should study and write. Understand? 2 mark question as well as second, first detailed question already you have studied and wrote, isn't it? So today, for 2 mark question, as 1 mark questions, no need to write, you have studied. So study 1 mark question and 2 mark questions and second detailed question you should study and write. Okay, this is a homework for you. Please study and write it. So understand? So after studying this one, so if possible means study 3 mark question also. Please study daily portion, and also one thing I am telling, don't study book back questions alone. Again and again I am telling. Mostly they will ask questions from book inside also. Okay, so 50% of questions they will ask from book back, and for 40% remaining 60% book back means 40% they will ask from book inside. So please don't skip any chapters or any headings. Just one time read it, because this chapter is very easy. No need to mug up. If you understand means that's enough. Isn't it or not? So please study daily portions. So tomorrow I can. Tomorrow I'll take. So classes chapter 6 I'll take. Okay. Tomorrow class I'll take chapter 6. So what are the chapters I have taken? Please study thorough. So understand? So okay student, thank you. So next class we can see the next chapter. Thank you students. Thank you.